Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Microsoft Word tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to clear the cache in Word. This is actually quite simple and can be helpful if your documents load very slowly or even incorrectly. To do this, I first open Microsoft Word and now go to the File tab, Options, and here I switch to Save and scroll all the way down. Here I can find various cache settings. First of all, I can set how long temporary data for a document should be kept before it is renewed. The default setting is 14 days, but this can be changed very easily. If I don't want to create any cache in Microsoft Word at all, I tick the second setting. This means that cache files are deleted as soon as I close the Office document. For our specific case, however, we want to delete the cache in Microsoft Word at this moment. So I click on this button and confirm the selection again. And this way we have already cleared the cache in Microsoft Word. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.